Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing software video. I would like just to say this is a software video because Arc have just released their browser for Windows, and I was thinking so many times I just want to see this browser on Windows, how it works, and it's gonna be really amazing. So today we're gonna check out this browser. It's really cool, by the way. I saw it, some of the people using it on Mac because it was first released on Mac OS, and right now we're having it on Windows. So let's jump in and how you can download it. So right now, as you can see, we are having our Arc installed like a dashboard. So we're going to just say install, and it's going to be installing it right now. And for a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, then you're good to go. So let me fast forward this video. Make the internet again. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, we have just to sign in or create an account, so just have to do that real quickly. Okay, I wish they could just like not keep that option of creating an account. I understand they just want you to be inside the web, the browser, actually, to just have a lot of options throughout if you want a backup your history and all of that. I believe so. So right now it says get us up to speed. For now, you want to make Arc. No, still exploring my options because I just don't want to make it as default right now. So let's go next, and welcome Abdurrahim13 and get started. Oh, there we go. So this is our browser, guys, as you can see, and you can load through over here. It's Gmail, and you can have a lot of stuff. So let's say you have a brand new tab here. I can go directly through YouTube, and the good thing about it is just like it feels like Opera browser, something like that. Okay, let's go back here, start watching videos to help us build. Okay, I guess it wants me to sign in here with Google. So I'll try visiting my website, this one here, and let's see how it responds. I like the way it's just loading up here on top, and it's freaking fast. That's really fast. And the goodness about this browser is just that I think you can customize bunch of stuff. So let's say I'm going through Arc here, and there's extension side, normal extension. I think it runs upon Chromium. So yeah, it runs upon Chromium, so quite not bad. So let's go to settings side, and this is the settings side through here, which it's really dope. And another kind of stuff, we can go to spaces. So you're having option like spaces. You can have your brand new space, you can call it productivity space, and you can even select theme for it depending on what you want. So I'll keep the theme just like that, increase a little bit of brightness, and create my space. So I'll be having this one normal, and I'll be having my Arc is ready to update. Okay, click restart. I think it needs an update right now. Again, just now you're having spaces. You can see I'm switching from the first space to the second space. Really brilliant through here. And another kind of stuff, you can go directly through here. You can arrange, I think, your tabs. You can drop it down through here depending on what you really want. I think it's installing the update, so it's a little bit, you know what I mean. So let's wait for it a little bit to see how it's updating on the update. So there we go, guys. That's Arc, and you can go to extension side. You can just browse some extension. Yeah, it uses Chromium, like I was saying. It's really dope. You can go directly through here. You can check it out if you want full browser. You can see nothing going on in here. Really cool and seamless. And another kind of stuff, you can return back the sidebar, and it's really cool. And on this side, you can check out bunch of options you have. You can import from another browser. Let's say you have your data from other browsers, you can import them throughout Arc directly. Okay, why did it go off again? This is a little bit weird because I don't know, is it updating or something? Because it just went off. Because first time I was like, needs an update, I updated it, and right now it went off. Okay, I guess it might be something going on the background. Who knows? Let's try it out again and see. And yeah, or perhaps it's just that still it's on development, early release on Windows, who knows, but it just closed. That's what's so weird. I want to show you one benefit features through using the Arc browser. I know you might be saying what's happening, but this feature might be very useful, especially for web developers and even designers, and a lot of you guys would love multitasking. Now check this out. You can go through all this button and you can split throughout right or left. I'll say right, and I will bring my browser, let's say Abdul Rahim there, and it will just load like that. Really cool. I've never seen this feature throughout any browser. Let's be honest, this is a really dope feature, and the way it's just expanding, you can just squeeze it or bring it up here and it will fill throughout the screen. It's like having tablet size, you know, the responsive on the screen size, right? The monitor size, the tablet size, the phone size, and because the more you squeeze it, it becomes the mobile size. So I find this is so much dope if you're a web developer and you're coding on this side. Let's say you're having WordPress on this side and you're having your website here, so you can experience throughout the full view of the tablet and full view of your fully website working, and in real time, like real time. You can just tap on here, you can just access anything you want. Like you can go on the shop side and check it out how much your browser or your website works. So it's really dope thing to be having a multitask throughout your browser, and Arc is the only one who does it, and it does really amazing. And if you don't want it, just close it and you're good to go. So that's really dope. So the Arc browser, it's really amazing browser, to be honest, and I give it gold. And shout out to Arc to bring us through Windows, because I was so much excited, wanted it to test it on Windows, and I rolled myself into that kind of listing of waiting when they release it on Windows. So this is really nice, heads up, and you can check it out too, you guys. If you're using Firefox, Opera, Brave, Edge, or you're using Safari, you can just try checking out Arc browser. It's a really good one. You know, sometimes you have to test different browsers so as you can find one which suits you best. But still, I will say my heads up is on Firefox. I've been using Firefox for a while, but I think Arc, I'll continue giving it a try and use it as my daily and as a default browser, and I'll be exploring it more and share with you guys on what's the heads up. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it on this video today. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your most favorite browser you're using right now, and another kind of stuff. What's the most benefit of it? And yeah, I think that's what's up. Up to the next one, guys. Adios, muchachos, and peace.